Page 209, this is the one at the bottom of the page called Dance. Just another thing to sight read. If you can, just read it. I'm going to go through the process, though, and look everything and discuss everything. Look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature. This appears to be in the key of C major. So we'll be doing the scale in arpeggio for C major and A minor. Okay, 2/4 time. Right hand first. I want to see if I can get fingering works okay. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 4. I like that fingering, very good. Left hand, what's it doing? So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and then measure 6 is 1, 2. Later on is 1, 2, and then thumb. And I recommend a 3, 2, 1 for the last measure because I just did the whole chord is like that. It's a C chord in second inversion. That's the fingering, so I just do that. I don't recommend that. That's a beginner's fingering. No, there's not much I can do going from measure 7 to 8 here because I gotta be here to go on, so there I can't connect that. Bummer, however, I can do the rest. Now put the hands together and it's here. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. Let's go down to measure 7. We're here. And then here. Fortunately, I'm not moving here, so I can focus on getting the left hand down. Here, like so. So once I have that worked out, then I go back and get rid of the hesitations, and then I'll add the articulation. Here we have a staccato and a line under it. But if you take the line to mean a tenuto, hold it out, but the staccato means short, then this simply means a long staccato. The short staccato. But a long staccato is just hella more like an 8th note and 8th wrist type thing. Approximately, it's not exact. Like so for the articulation, it's like 2 major phrases. The left hand I'm connecting, of course. Okay. Dynamics, MF. That's and then echo that soft. So the left hand's out of the way. There's a polka retard at the end. You slow down a little bit. Careful. If people are dancing to it, I don't recommend slowing down because it messes them up. You need a steady beat. But if it's just something to listen to, then by all means, slow down a little. Don't slow down a lot, I guess, because it says poco. That just means a little bit. As far as the speed goes, poco allegretto, it's between moderato and allegro, but it's just a little bit on the fast side. So moderato, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right, left, but just a hair faster than that. Last measure, I want to hear that note. Keep that out of the way. And don't play that louder so you can hear it. It's soft, but this is going to be very soft. Very soft. Whatever. Let's play this together slowly. I'll give us 2 counts. I'm not going to do louds and softs. I'll try and do everything else, except we're going to go slow. Ready, go. 1 and 2.